Shannon, and I'm with Bellevue Healthcare. Today I'm going to be going over a standard manual wheelchair and how it works. Probably the most important part of a wheelchair are the brakes here at the bottom of the wheels. Each time a person sits down on a wheelchair or gets up from a wheelchair, the brakes need to be set in a locked position first so they can stay safe and the chair doesn't roll away when they sit down or get up. To do that, all you have to do is push forward on the brakes just like that. You need to do it on both sides and both wheels in order for the person to be safe. To unlock them, you're just going to pull them back just like that. And that will unlock the wheels so you can propel the wheelchair. To fold the wheelchair, what you're going to do is you're going to take the front and you're going to take the back and you're just going to pull up just like that. It's basically it as far as folding up the wheelchair goes if you need to get it in and out of the car. To unfold the wheelchair, you're going to take the hand grips right here. You're going to spread them apart as wide as you can, and then the key is pushing down on the sides of the chair just like that. You want to be really careful with your fingers so you don't get your fingers kind of caught on the sides of the chair when you're pushing down on the sides. Next, I'm going to show you how the footrests connect onto the chair. I'm going to start first with our standard footrests. And these are really easy to put on and off the chair. On the footrest itself, you have a top hole and a bottom hole. And on the wheelchair down here, you will actually have a top peg and a bottom peg. The holes just slide over the pegs. This little guy on the footrest is just a hinge, so I'm going to pull that back to give myself enough space to slide the holes over the pegs. And then that just clicks in just like that. To remove the footrest, it's just a light touch on the hinge right there, and then you can pull up. To adjust the length of the footrest, what you can do is flip up on this black tab, adjust the push pins down, and then you're going to lock that pin back in place like right there just to secure the footrest. We also offer another type of footrests at Bellevue Healthcare. They're called elevating leg rests, and they're also very simple to use. To attach them onto the wheelchair, they work the exact same way as the standard footrests that we just saw. Top hole, bottom hole on the footrest, just slide on the top peg and bottom peg of the wheelchair. I'm going to go ahead and slide the holes over the pegs just like that, and then I'm going to push on the hinge right there to make sure that the footrest is secure onto the chair. Next, I'm going to take this calf panel. I'm going to fold that down. This is where the customer is going to actually lay their leg. I'm going to flip back this footrest right here. It's very important to have this foot plate pushed back, because when somebody's putting their leg on the elevating leg rest, they need to have their leg fully extend out, and you don't want to have their foot hit the foot plate and not extend naturally. In order to adjust this elevating leg rest up and down, no weight can be placed on it. So you don't want the person using the wheelchair to actually have their leg on the footrest while you're adjusting it up and down. To adjust it up and down is really simple. All you do is you see this lever right here, you're going to hold it down. And when you're holding it down, you can actually move the leg rest up and down. Whatever your desired angle is, you can actually let go of the lever at that point, and it will lock into that specific degree angle when you let go of the lever. The really neat thing about these elevating leg rests is if the customer only needs one leg rest elevated, what you can do is you can just move and adjust the leg rest down, and it can act as a normal footrest when you kind of push back the foot plate down below. And that's the wheelchair here that we provide at Bellevue Healthcare, or one of the very many. Thanks so much for watching.